The work that I'm doing now as a volunteer, to me, is very interesting and fun. There's a program through our federation. Our federation has a Holocaust Council, and they match pre-bar and bat mitzvah kids to Holocaust survivors. So I've seen about 7 or 8 12-year-olds, or 11, the boys are bar mitzvah at 13, some of the girls at 12. They come to my house about 3 times, and they hear the story that I just told you now, with variations that give them a little bit more of the background of the war and the map and a little history, and that they get an opportunity to ask questions this next time, and they build a relationship with the Holocaust survivor, and they're the last generation to really be able to see it, to meet. And the ones who choose that project are the questions are so good and very meaningful. And I really enjoy it. So, and then I go to their bar mitzvahs, and they have to submit a report, and they have to incorporate the story into their Dvar Torah, into their speech, and it's very nice.